What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back. So I found some more deals at Lowe's. So these PowerStack batteries, these Dewalt 20-volt PowerStacks, these are the 1.7s. They're on sale for $71. Home Depot is still selling these batteries, single packs just like this, for $120 plus the tax. It would come out to about $136 where I am per battery. So $71, amazing deal. And then this guy, I went to a different Lowe's and found this dual pack. This is the PowerStack dual pack. It is the DCB P315-2. This comes with a 5 amp hour and a 1.7 amp hour pack. And this is normally $300 plus tax. Some stores at Home Depot are selling this for $350, and then the tax, it's like $30 for the tax around me, especially when you get into a higher price point. So this kit is actually at Home Depot around me. It's $350 plus tax, comes out to like $380 something dollars. Kind of crazy. Almost $390. I got this for $149. So I ended up getting, for $71 a piece, I got these two 1.7 amp hour power stacks. And this kit I got for $149. So here is the receipt. So this is the 2-pack, the 5 amp hour. I can get it to focus. There you go. DeWalt 20 volt 5 amp hour and 1.7 amp hour 2-pack, $149. $11.62 in tax, came out to $160.62. Lowe's did have the 5 amp hour, these 5 amp hour batteries right here. They did have them in individual packs. They were not on sale. They were still $299 a battery for the 5 amp hour. So if you find this 2-pack kit for $149, buy it, because the 5 amp hour battery by itself isn't on sale. It's $299 plus tax. So you basically $149. You're actually getting the 5 for what is about $70, and you're getting the 1.7 for about $70. Yeah, so about 75 for this one, and then about 72 or so for this one. So not bad at all. The receipt that I have here, this is where I got them for $71.42 a piece for the 1.7 amp hour. And then I also bought a Sprite and a Fanta soda. But this total was $159.86. If you minus the $6, it'd been about $153 and some change for just the batteries. Not bad at all. I just wanted to show those to you guys. Those two receipts, $71.42 and then $149 and $71.42. And these I already have open. I actually already put all of these batteries on the charger. Even this one's open, see? Get this open. Yeah, plastic's a little stuck. I already took them out. I already charged all of them. And the part number for these guys, the individuals, is DCB P034. This one is also charged. And then DCP 3152. And the way this one actually comes is the 5 is on top. The big boy. Here's the big boy. You see how big it is? And then the little guy is on the bottom, upside down. Little guy's upside down. And I just kept the boxes and everything for the video, but this one is also charged. So I got 3 of the 1.7s. And then I got a 5. So in my opinion, awesome deal. Kind of bring these guys forward. There we go. I didn't have any PowerStack batteries, but I do want to show real quick what it looks like compared to a old school 5. This is an 18655. These are all pouch cells. It is significantly bigger. And I believe the reason Lowe's is doing these deals is because DeWalt just came out with these PowerStack batteries in an XR model. So they actually have an XR emblem on them. So the XR stands for Extreme Runtime. That's what that stands for. But, you know, just to give you an idea here, I have a 21700 cell 4 here. And it's actually bigger than that. It's actually taller and bigger than that battery by a little bit. But I have a lot of DeWalt batteries. You know, these are all used. They still all work. Never had any issues with any of my DeWalt batteries. Never had a single DeWalt battery on me die. So, and you know, flex batteries, Metabo, Makita 18 volt, and then 20 volt XGT. 18 volts are back there. Milwaukee, Ryobi. But if you find this deal, pick it up. In my opinion, great deal. And what I noticed is the 5 amp hour PowerStack XR version is actually more compact for the 5. It's like a little bit bigger than these 1.7, so I think they condensed the pouch cell technology and was able to get the 5 amp hour in the the newer XR model batteries in a smaller package. But I wasn't going to pass up on this deal specifically to pick these up. I have not had any PowerStack batteries at all, so in my opinion, great deal. I also got the Milwaukee earbuds over here at Home Depot, which is another video on its own. But I just wanted to give it a quick little deals update. If you see this deal at Lowe's, pick up as many as you want. They're for the price, it's kind of hard to beat for the PowerStacks. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!